5 amazing uses of vinegar at home. Welcome to FastKlean channel. Check out our videos below for tips on how to make cleaning fun and less intimidating. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Vinegar isn't just for fish and chips. It's great for cleaning too. It's an amazing cleaner that's not only affordable, readily available, but extremely effective, too. Why vinegar? You might be wondering why you should use vinegar to clean your home. It is an effective deodorizer, good at degreasing, wonderful cleaning solution for glass. Important things to remember. Don't let vinegar get into your eyes. Don't use it clean surfaces that's made of natural stone. Fruit and vegetable Washington. Get rid of pesticides, herbicides, and insecticides from your fruits and vegetable wash by spraying or soaking them on a vinegar solution. You can get rid of that coat by making your own produce cleaner. All you need are 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, spray bottle, bowl. Combine water and vinegar in a spray bottle. You can spray it directly on the fruit or vegetable, or you can pour the cleaning solution into a clean bowl and soak the produce there. After giving it a good rinse, dry the produce and they're now safe to eat. Helps with your laundry. All you need to do is pour vinegar and it will help brighten or lighten your fabrics. It can also soften and deodorize them. Vinegar can also help remove detergent and soap residue in your clothes. Just add a cup of vinegar to the final rise. If you're washing quilts and blankets, you can add 2 cups instead. Dishwasher Cleaner. Watch our other cleaning videos and find out how you can use eggshells for cleaning. When was the last time you cleaned your dishwasher? If you're like most homeowners, it's probably been a while since the last time you had it cleaned. Many people think that cleaning the dishwasher is a tedious task. It's actually pretty easy. All you need are vinegar and baking soda. Empty your dishwasher. Add baking soda around the bottom of your dishwasher and leave it there. The following morning, remove the baking soda by running the dishwasher on a hot cycle. Stop the cycle when you see the dishwasher start to fill with hot water. Add white vinegar. Once done, your dishwasher will look and smell better. Glass cleaner. Grab a spray bottle and add vinegar, water and cornstarch. Shake it well and that's it. You now have a glass cleaner. Cutlery Cleaner. Combine vinegar and boiling water in a shallow dish and soak your cutlery into the solution. Leave it for a few minutes. Deodorize the cutlery one by one and wipe it using a microfiber cloth. This is an effective way of making your cutlery shine. Bonus tips. Vinegar is an effective remover for pet urine and carpet. Watch our other cleaning videos and find out how you can use cornstarch for cleaning. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend.